Greetings from Snake Mountain Boatworks on Wednesday, July 8, 2020. How's that for a change? Anthony has just been working like a madman to bring this boat along, and the results are a little short of stupendous. This 1959 16.5 foot Lyman runabout now has her first coats of Pettit Tie Coat Primer applied. The Smith's clear penetrating epoxy sealer was applied beneath the tie coat primer. We just have a couple more coats to go and she'll be ready for paint. You'll notice the green frog tape running along her top sides. Lymans of this size that we've worked on anyway tend not to have boot stripes as such. Rather, they have a demarcation line between the bottom paint, which will be copper bronze antifouling paint, and the topside paint, which will be Interlux semi-gloss white premium gloss enamel. Joe finished together with Anthony the installation of the new transom, and she didn't have it before, but she really should. We will be taping her off right at the line of demarcation, and below that we will prime with the tie coat primer and then apply bottom paint. Obviously we'll be varnishing above that. But as you can see, and if you remember back to who she was when she sneaked in here, this is quite a fantastic transformation. So we'll be applying some more primer, and then we get to apply bottom paint. She's going to be with us for a number of years because the family who owns her are in service to the U.S., and we thank them for their service, and they'll be deployed outside the U.S. for a couple of years. So we'll apply the first couple of coats of bottom paint. But since it's going to be paint that is anti-fouling, you really have to put it in the water within 6 months or so of applying it. So we'll apply the initial coats, let them cure for a couple of years. Then when the family is back stateside, she'll get a couple more coats and she'll be ready to float, ready to have fun. So with that, we'll end this update on the 1959 16.5 foot Lyman runabout. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boatworks.